Hey, folks, we're back. Episode number 5, Cleveland Boat Show 2024. And at 1 o'clock, Chris Hammond from Lakeland Auto and Marine is going to talk about marine engine diagnosis. And Chris, I want you to just explain to the people what you're going to talk about here in a few minutes.
Well, Tom, thanks for having me. Hey, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little seminar on DIY diagnostics. So we're going to talk about how to quickly diagnose with simple, cheap tools, no starts, slow crank, checking batteries, how to do some simple fuel system tests, simple cooling system tests. So it's going to run probably a little over an hour, I would say. And we're glad to have anybody that comes in 4 hours. Yeah, the last one was 5.5 hours, so I don't think it's going to go that long. But this is the abridged version. So we're hoping you guys come out and check out our seminar here in a few minutes. So.
Well, thanks, Chris, and thanks again for coming.
Hey, no problem. Thanks for having me. Yes.
And folks, if you get a chance, come on out to the show this year. It's open all day till 9 tonight and till 5 tomorrow, I believe. So good to have you. Good to have everybody here, and we'll see you later.
Sounds good.